This week in class we're going to be solving math problems with a missing or an unknown addend. So this just means that instead of having the missing part at the end like they're used to, something that looks like this, the number that's going to be missing is going to be one of the addends or one of the partners is what we usually call them in class. So it would have the answer at the end, but something in the middle would be missing. And it could be this addend or this partner, or it could be the other one. So a word problem for an equation like this might say something like, Missy had 4 cupcakes, her mom gave her some more, and now she has 10. And we're going to talk a lot about that language. We're going to hear words like some more or something similar to that that lets us know that more has been added, but we don't know how much. And so sometimes the students will even put a question mark here so that they can remember that this is what we're looking for. So I'm going to show you 2 strategies that we can use to get this answer, and these are things we'll do in class as well. So one thing you could do is what we call circles and sticks. So we would draw 4 circles for what we already know. We would draw a stick, and then we know we need to get to 10 because that's how many she has in the end, so we could count on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This part is what we already know. This is what we need to know. And we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would know that 6 is what needs to go in this blank because 4 and 6 make 10. A second thing that we could do is to draw 2 different shapes. Now in class we would use cubes, and so we might have 4 blue cubes, and then we would count on with a different color. So we might do 4 blue cubes and then count on with red cubes until we got up to the number 10. But when they're using paper and pencil, they might not have crayons to do that, and so we talk about using 2 different shapes. So we could show that we're going to draw what we already know with circles, and then we'll count on with a second shape until we get to our answer. So that would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then they would be able to see, oh, well, I have 4 circles for this number and 6 triangles, which is what goes here. And they could erase their question mark and fill in the blank to solve the answer. Now, both of these strategies are using counting on, so it's important that the students are able to start at any number and continue counting. If they can't do that, then that's another skill that you can work on at home.